They are scamming. And if any one of them tell me that I dey lie, let them come and prove it. Let them come call us to Aso Rock, me and them. So they should prove they are prophetic, and they should prove the power that God gave them. You will know that you will realize that day all of them will lose. Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the time of reality. All the whole Nigeria, I want you to hear me carefully and louder about the case of Pastor Jeremiah and a very dark man. My name is King Solomon, the only man that likes to speak reality all the time. Pastor Jeremiah, God bless you. Everything you lay your hand upon shall prospered. But I want to use this opportunity to advise you to call very dark man and plead to him and go back to the court and withdraw that case before it will be too late. Because if the case moves more than this level, if the judges that want to judge this case, if he did on top of reality, he will go to prison. Pastor Jeremiah, because I have 100% belief that all the product that you are selling, you cannot profit, which I believe that, and which I sure that you cannot do that. You cannot profit. You cannot heal anybody with your water. You cannot heal anybody with your product. It's just way to shop, which everybody know in Nigeria. But Nigeria like to promote lie. Very dark man. I'm using this opportunity to plead with you. Leave Pastor Jeremiah alone. Because I don't want anybody downfall. Yeah. I don't want anybody downfall. The person that do bad today can do good tomorrow. The person that do good today can do bad tomorrow. So, and I want all of you to know that in this world, nobody is perfect. All of us, we are a sinner. All of us in Nigeria, we are eating in scamming. But we have different type of scamming. It's too much scamming that is not good. I use this opportunity to tell all the whole world that all Nigeria pastors that tell us that they are doing miracle in their church, they are scamming. And if any one of them tell me that I dey lie, let them come and prove it. Let them come call us to Aso Rock, me and them. So they should prove they are prophetic, and they should prove the power that God gave them. You will know that you will realize that day all of them will lose. All of them will cease. None of them. All of them tell us that they are doing miracle in Nigeria. Those call themselves pastors, they are all scamming. So we know that everybody is eating inside lying. But too much lying is not good. The lie that all the pastors in Nigeria bring to this nation can spoil to our tomorrow generation. So because our new generation have learning how to scam people from all those pastors. So very dark man, you say you are not perfect. If we find you very well, enter you very well, we will see some sin in your hand. But too much of sin, too much of fraud, too much of lie is not good. which all our pastors in Nigeria have been practiced so thousands of years ago. But I want all of you to go and repent and stop Nigeria, stop promoting lying. All those pastors in your church there, all of them, they are duping people with miracle. They are duping people with stage miracle. So let's stop deceiving ourselves in Nigeria. Let's start speaking reality to ourselves. So Pastor Jeremiah, my name is King Solomon. I use this opportunity to go and withdraw the case. I beg very dark man, say sorry. And say sorry to all Nigeria. Don't let anybody push you. Because if you go beyond this matter, you will fall a lot. Your falling cannot do anything from me. Your falling cannot do anything from very dark man. So everybody have mistake. Everybody is a sinner. But too much of sinner is not good. So that is the advice that I want to give you, Pastor Jeremiah. Go and withdraw the case. I beg very dark man. Very dark man, leave Pastor Jeremiah alone. Because downfall of Pastor Jeremiah cannot do anything for you. So all what we need in Nigeria is correction. Let all of us, let everybody know. This thing is lying. This is truth. This is not good. This is what is good. So all what very dark man do to this pastor is just a correction. Okay, it's not like it's disgracing this pastor. It's a correction and it's a lecture for all those pastors call themselves prophet in Nigeria. They should go and repent. Let them stop duping people. The work of pastor is to pray. And if God wants to answer prayer, it's a spiritual, not physical, not what we can see in our naked eyes. So, but not any pastor in Nigeria that can open blind man, the person that cannot walk, that can make them walk. If you see all those things in the church, it's fraud. It's stage work. And none of them that can prove it in any way. They can only prove it in their church where they stage the person, where they tell the person to come and act film. So one pastor in Nigeria that can prove it for anybody or for us that he can do miracle. They are just liar. So please, Pastor Jeremiah, I plead to you, because your downfall does not have anything to do with my life. I don't like the downfall of human being. It's a correction for you and for all those pastors called themselves miracle doer. All those miracles is fake. If you don't know, go and know. If you know, go and know. So go and beg very dark man, leave Pastor Jeremiah alone. God bless you. All Nigeria, stop promoting nonsense. Stop promote lie. And I come again. No one pastor in Nigeria or in the whole world that can heal blind person. The person that cannot walk, that can make the person walk. Okay? No one pastor. So all those things is lying. And if one pastor tell me that they can do it, let them create a hall for all the nation to come and test ourselves. I will provide the person, but I know that they cannot do it. So don't let us deceive ourselves again. And Nigeria, let promote lie. Let promote reality. Don't let promote lie again. So, very dark man, thank you very much for your work that you have done in Nigeria. God help you. But remember, anybody that want to correct somebody need to correct himself. Anybody have his own mistake. Anybody in the whole world, we are a sinner. Let's correct ourselves, not to find downfall of ourselves. Very dark man, let's correct ourselves, not to find downfall of ourselves. Downfall of your human being like you cannot give you any gain. The person that do bad today can do bad tomorrow. God bless you all. Bye for now. Pastor Jeremiah, thank you very much again. Hear my word and work on it. God bless you.